tonight we got this nice ribeye steak, about an inch thick, and we're going to throw this on the barbecue. But before we do that, we're going to mix up this marinade. I'll show you how we do it. It's fairly simple, and it turns out really good. It's an awesome marinade. In my opinion, it's one of the best. So if you're watching this video and you plan on doing this, I'm really curious if you follow this step by step. And one of the key things is, don't marinate it over a half an hour, and you can only do this on the barbecue. There's no other way. If you can do it in the smoker and then on the barbecue, but it has to be a fast cook, and the barbecue is the best way. So alright, let's get started. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to mix this all together in here. This is soy sauce, lemon juice, try not to drop it in there, oil, orange juice, splash of water, and then our spices are onion powder, pepper, Montreal steak spice, and a clove of garlic. Alright, now we got the marinade made. We're just gonna mix it up a bit. Then we're gonna take the steak. I'm just going to flip it a couple times and get it coated. And what we'll do is, after we're done coating this good, we're gonna turn on the barbecue. We're gonna get that up to about 500. And we're going to flip this a few times. That should take about 15 minutes. We'll leave it heat up slow. That way this marinates for about 20-25 minutes. So I flipped that plenty of times. Okay, it's ready to go. It's been marinating for 20 minutes. We're going to put it on the barbecue. What I suggest is, I start at the barbecue and I get it regulated for, it's close to 550. When I open the lid, of course, it's going to lose some heat, so I'm going to try to keep it rated as hot as I can, 500, 550. And we're going to throw that in and sear that on each side for about 2 minutes. Cook it to medium. And we're going to have a nice juicy steak, so let's get that on the barbecue. Okay, so it's been exactly 2 minutes. Let's flip it. Alright, another 2 minutes is up. Let's check it out. Okay, well, it's close to 2 minutes, but I see it's smoking a bit, so I think there's a little flame in there. We're going to flip it over and put it over on another side, because there's a lot of juice that comes out of the steak, especially from the marinade, so you do got to be careful for flame up. So let's check it out. And I also got the Thai 4 meat thermometer, instant one. We're going to check the temperature and get it close to 130. Then we'll leave it set for like 5 minutes, and that should be pretty close to medium. Ooh, looking good. Looking good. Little flame there. We'll put it over here. Oh yeah, to me that's beautiful. Little burn there, but hey, looks good. So let's take a quick temperature. We don't want to leave too much of the heat. So as you can see, it's 70, 78. We're going to put it in. 114. That's high. 120. 2 more minutes. That will be done. Okay, that's it. We're taking it off. Alright, so we got the steak off. It's reading 131 there. A little warmer over there. Well, 139. That's a little high, 150. So we're going to leave that set for 5 minutes, and then we're going to give it a cut. Okay, so it's ready to cut. It's been sitting there for 5 minutes. I'm going to just cut it right down the center. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's try a piece. Oh, that's beautiful. Unreal. You gotta try this recipe. It's absolutely incredible. Cook it on high, cook it to medium, and don't marinate it much over 20 minutes. And let me know how you make out. And hit the subscribe button if you made it this far. Have a good one.